Hey guys, I'm AQEELAH and Ali, aka Fashion Breed, and you are watching Michael Kost's YouTube channel.
Hey bananas, I'm here with AQEELAH and we are going to talk about a few tips and tricks about being an Instagram model and a fashion vlogger. Are you ready?
I haven't been called an Instagram model before.
A vlogger
like,
model. Are you that shocked? You are a modest dresser and that is your whole theme to your Instagram profile and to your YouTube channel. Why is that different from everyone else, and why do you think that has been your success?
I think it's because it's so very niche. I think when you want to find something niche, you really just have to look at that thing that makes you different, and you might think to yourself, oh my gosh, there's going to be no one that I have this in common with, but you actually would be surprised. There are 6.5 billion people in the world. Someone has this in common with you, and they have the internet and they want to relate to you.
What is the tips and tricks for someone to grow their Instagram following?
Number one, I would say, is quality. It depends if you want to grow with brands, or do you want to grow with a amazing audience and with brands, or do you just want to be Instagram famous? Because there are a lot of girls who are Instagram famous who have 5 times my following, but I can honestly say that I book a lot of the jobs, if not most of them. And that's because of the quality. Because if you are just putting yourself out there for 100, 200,000 people to see and you're not making money off of it, then I don't know, I think you're wasting your time. Personal opinion. And I don't know, unless maybe you just really like to connect with people, but if I'm going to be so public with my life, I want to be making some money off of it. And so because of that, you have to find that balance between great organic content, great sponsored content, and have it be really high quality, have it be very authentic. Always push yourself, always compete with yourself. For me, I don't look left and look right and see what other people are doing. I'm always like trying to like beat myself and one up myself, and that really shows. And going that extra mile, whether it's your organic content or whether it's sponsored content with clients, to always go that extra mile and be that overachiever. You know, look at other people's work. And when I say look at other people's work, I don't mean your peers. That's I think a big mistake a lot of people make, is they look at their peers and people that are on their level, and then everybody's stuff starts to look the same. Because you go to the same locations, you shoot the same style, you use the same presets, you do all these things that's similar. I don't look at people here. I look at people like the big people. Like I want to be where they are, so I look at what they do and I try and be on that level. Not to emulate them, but to be on that level. You have to be consistent. Collaborate with people like we're doing today so that you can grow your audiences, you can share one another's audiences. Be resourceful. You don't always have to have the best of everything. You don't have to have the best camera, you don't have to have the best mic, the best lights, the best clothing, but do the most with what you can and what you have.
So you're talking about brands, and we are in the beautiful RadissonRED, and they have put us up to create content here at RadissonRED in Cape Town. And how does an Instagrammer or a YouTuber find a brand that would be willing to work with them, even if it's a trade basis or a paying basis? How do you start that conversation?
Okay, so before we get to paid, I think you need to first collaborate with brands. You have something to offer them and they have something to offer you. But before you even get to that point, I always say this, fake it till you make it. Get to that point where you've got some decent images, a decent body of work that you can show people, because then never mind the followers, people know what you can do. Nobody knows what's going on in your bank account as long as you like show your talents eventually your audience will grow and your brand base is going to grow. Don't have 1,000 followers and then go and pitch like Woolies or somewhere big and then expect them to like just notice you, even if you're just asking to borrow their samples. You start off small and you build up, because that's exactly what I used to do. As you grow, people learn to trust you. I'm very much on gaining brands' trust. I deliver, and we deliver well, and it's about that quality. Brands want to be associated with that before they want to be associated with numbers. So don't ever think that your numbers are the end all and be all, because when you're doing good work, the numbers come with that. Maybe not at the pace that everyone else is skyrocketing if somebody's going viral or whatever, but the numbers, decent numbers and good quality numbers come with that.
So until next time, bye bananas.
How's guys? Welcome to Michael's channel featuring me. Oh my god, it sounds like such a good